Today, we're going to walk step by step through how to install a professionally sealed crawlspace system, also known as a crawlspace encapsulation. This process is designed to meet building code requirements while following proven industry best practices. Throughout this tutorial, we'll cover every critical stage of the installation, from the initial inspection and cleanout, to addressing mold or organic growth, to managing water with proper drainage systems. We'll also walk through the wall liner installation, floor vapor barrier installation, and how to properly seal seams using both single-sided and double-sided methods. Finally, we'll cover dehumidifier installation, common installation mistakes to avoid, and how to perform a final quality check once the job is complete. The goal of this training is simple: create a repeatable, scalable process that produces consistent, high-quality installations, improves efficiency for the installer, and reduces costly callbacks. When done correctly, Crawlspace Encapsulation isn't just a product, it's a complete system.